I see your bank for more. I won't blame you because these guys are just too entertaining. Hello and welcome back everyone to yet another episode on our channel. These idiots won't stop coming, so we won't stop bringing them to you. Without further ado, let's begin. Does anyone know why female drivers are so angry? Bikers in such situations just make fun of and go. There is a special name given to women who drive. Karen.
You wanna do dumb shit and ride up my fucking ass. And my car crashes or you do? I'm calling the fucking cops on you.
Alright.
So go around my car and stop doing dumb shit.
Alright.
Okay.
Yeah, you got it. Have a lovely day.
Now, get around my car.
Oh, okay, go ahead. Bye.
It takes a lot of courage to ride a motorcycle at high speeds. You can't drive a motorcycle with a little courage you take with you. Sometimes I think car drivers can be blind, or that they are too stupid to look in their mirrors.
You don't fucking pull out in front of someone like that. I could have just fucking died.
You're behind the truck.
Alright, well you need to look. I understand it's hard to see bikes, but you really can't just like pull out like that. Alright, I apologize you. I appreciate you apologizing. Thank you.
I didn't see you.
It's okay, thank you.
Fine, you guys.
Now you will watch the sad end of a woman who thinks she is the owner of the road. This is a bike path. That is nothing but a bicycle can pass. But not everyone has the same consciousness.
You okay?
You okay?
Kind of.
You okay?
Yeah. I'll be alright.
Okay?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I saw the bike on the outside. I wasn't thinking it was in here, so
It's okay.
very sorry.
No problem.
You're okay?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Yeah, I mean, I walked into you, so
It's alright.
very sorry.
No problem.
I don't know why female drivers are incapable of driving. As someone who does this job, I can say that female drivers do not hear the engine noise. If you are so comfortable in traffic, loss of life is inevitable.
Go on. You want to lift up, bloke? Bloke? You want me to be a witness?
Huh?
You got your camera?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You right? Where's he pulling out, you know?
He was pulling out, he grabbed up his engine, you should have stayed.
Yeah, I know, but why are you going around on the wrong side of the
I was in my lane. I was going straight. You had to give way. I was in my lane, you had to get. We've got a camera on. Not gonna have you. We've got a camera on. It's fine.
Alright, cool.
If you're driving a motorcycle, you should stay away from someone driving a truck. If it's a Karen driving a truck, you should run. Hundreds of bikers and landlords fight every day because bikers enter forbidden places. But this road has no owner and Geezer does not want anyone to cross this road. Biker determined to cross the road. Let's see.
A co to prywatny teren jest?
Tak!
Tak?
To jest państwowe, kurwa, możesz tu jeździć?
A ty możesz tu łowić?
Mogę łowić!
No to łów.
No!
A ja mogę jeździć.
Proszę mnie tu nie jeździć!
No i się nie drzyj, kolego, bo nie jesteś tutaj właścicielem.
Słucham?
Tak, to zaraz zadzwonię.
To dzwoń.
No. Potem tylko czasem kurwa ze straży kurwa liczarskiej.
To dzwoń.
No.
Zrobiłem ci coś?
Nie nie żołowie,
Ale zrobiłem ci coś?
ale wy nie żołowie.
Dobrze.
No.
Przejechałem cię?
No proszę mnie odjechać stąd.
Odjadę, ale nie. Proszę bardziej mniej agresywnie.
No.
Bo ja nie jestem tutaj, żeś co? Bić mnie chcesz?
No nie liczy się kurwa, bo nie ma tego i już.
Zatrzymałem się czy nie? Zatrzymałem się chyba, nie? Tu masz kamerę, zobacz, tu masz kamerę.
No i dobrze.
No.
A nie będziesz też mnie tu jeździł, jak jedziesz kurwa, a nie kurwa.
Wyskakujesz agresywnie.
I już. Z tej kamery też można kurwa zdjąć.
Słucham?
Z kamery też można kurwa skrać teraz jak żeś popierdalał tutaj.
A tu jakiś zakaz jest?
Nie jest zakaz, ale
No
chyba
właśnie.
dzieci są małe kurwa.
Ale dobrze, zatrzymałem się.
Jakiś
Powiedz
człowieku
człowieku, czy ci zatrzymałem się, czy nie? Przecież zatrzymałem się, to po co się drzesz?
Gdybym nie wiedział, to by się chuja zatrzymał.
Tak, samochodu nie widziałem. Do widzenia. Miłego dnia. Wow! Jesus! What the fuck?
I am determined not to give a license to everyone. This driver changes lanes without looking in his mirror. Even his mirror is closed and he does not need to open his mirror.
Open your
You're fucking...
You're about to watch a very strange man. Instead of sleeping by the side of the road, this man stands in the middle of the road and sleeps. I'm sure you've never seen someone so relaxed. Let's see.
You all good? Hey, sir! Hey, sir! Hey! Pull over real fast! Pull over! Yeah, yeah, just... You okay, bud?
Yeah, I'm on my lunch break. I'm at work at Mill Garden.
Yeah, well, you fell asleep back there.
I didn't fall asleep. I've been up for a while, but
Yeah?
I'm at work, man.
Oh, yeah.
I'm on my lunch break.
You were sitting there for a while. I just wanted to make sure you're all right.
Okay, yeah, I'm cool.
All right? Yeah.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are